Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below. So today we are going to study about Google Spreadsheets. First of all, what is Google Spreadsheets? Spreadsheet is a file which contains rows and columns, and it helps to calculate numerical data, arrange data, and sort data. A spreadsheet contains sheets. These are basically cells, rows, and columns. The number of cells, rows, and columns depends on the software used. But it is also important to note that the memory capacity of your computer has a role in the number of cells, rows supported. In Google Sheets, it supports 256 columns, 400,000 cells, and 200 sheets. Google Sheets are similar to Excel. Both Google Sheets and Excel allow complex mathematical calculation and data analysis. Some of the core features of both Google Spreadsheets and Excel include the capacity, the compatibility with Windows, iOS, Android, and macOS. Collaboration and auto-saving. Auto-saving basically means you don't have to save your data every time. You can forget and it will automatically be saved. Why use Google Sheets? It's important that you use Google Sheets because it allows multiple users at the same time without confusion. You can access Google Sheets from different computers by simply signing into your Google account. Also, it has dozens of add-ons. So if you can't solve a problem with the basics Google Sheets, you can download an add-on for that problem. Now let's see the spreadsheets in action. First of all, you have to log into your account, your Google account. Then you click on the Google Apps and select Drives. In Drives, you click on the new, then Google Sheets. Now we've opened our Google spreadsheet. First of all, I'd like to rename my spreadsheet. Let's call it Google Sheet. Okay. Now I'll have to add some data. I can write the name, ID, and basically just write some names. ID, 134 526 and 907. You might want to change the color of the name and ID, so you simply go and select your color. Let's try dark green. You can now see that the name and ID has changed to dark green. You can also change the color of the cell by clicking this fill color and select your favorite color. We can do like light purple, and you see now changes. You can also tint the name and ID. This is by, you can either like tilt up or maybe tilt down. Let me go back to and tilt it up. Okay, now let's try to do some mathematical calculation. Let's 24 56. If you want to find the total of this, you simply select sum and drag from cell E2 to E5 and press the enter button. And if you have more data, you don't have to repeat yourself. You can just drag and it calculates automatically. Now you might want to add a column, an extra column. So what you'll do, for example, you want to add a column between F and Z. You select Z and right click. Then you can either decide to insert on the left or the right. Let me insert it on the left. Now you can see that we've added a column here, and we can also add some data. And also drag so that you can find the sum. You might also add a row. Simply if we can add, you right click and either add above or below the first row. So let me add above. Yeah, I can see done. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in other videos to come.